Hi everyone, so I'm just making a quick video for the review of the course of Raphael. So I just finished the course a few days ago, and I can definitely say it's a great course. I didn't regret to buy this. After finishing the course, I can definitely make way better the trading decision. Sorry for my English. So overall, it's clear. It's more clear when I read the chart. I can see better if I have an opportunity or not, if I need to sell or to buy, and it's great. It's great. I would recommend this course to everyone who's trying to have better trading decision, make more profits, or just start trading maybe. Because it is very simple and very easy to understand. It's clean. You only have the essential things. That's what I like, because in every I already take other course, but you have too much information. You're completely lost in this information. And in this course, you have, of course, a lot of information, but you only have the essential things. So you will not spend hours reading about every indicator that you can find on MetaTrader or TradingView. And it's nice because when you read the market, you have a clearer vision of what will happen, because you have only 2 or 3 or 4 patterns that you will use. And Raphael sticks to the basic, but master the basics. So it's very helpful when you read the market and you see that you don't need everything else. So that's what I like. I would recommend to everyone. My goals for the next 5 years will be to travel the world and quit my job and live only from the trading. So I can definitely say, for the moment, I'm very happy with this, and I can definitely say I think this course will help me to get there, with no doubt. And yeah, that's everything I wanted.